As a project management expert, I spend a lot of time evaluating tools and understanding how different work environments impact productivity and team morale. When considering a company like Smartsheet, a prominent player in the work management and collaboration space, the question, is Smartsheet good to work for? Isn't just about their software. It's about their culture, employee experience, and how they embody the principles they promote through their product. It's important to approach this question from multiple angles, looking beyond just the surface. What makes a company good to work for? It's a combination of factors including company culture, growth opportunities, compensation and benefits, work-life balance, leadership, and how well the company lives its values. The product and its influence on culture. Smartsheet's core product is a work management platform designed to empower teams to plan, track, automate, and report on work. This focus on efficiency, transparency, and collaboration in their software often reflects in their internal culture. Companies that build tools for better work management often understand the value of effective internal processes. You'd expect a company like Smartsheet to practice what it preaches. This typically means structured workflows, an emphasis on clear processes, task assignments, and accountability, which are central to their product. This can translate to well-defined roles and expectations internally. Data-driven decisions. Smartsheet's strength lies in its reporting and analytics capabilities. Internally, this might mean a culture that values metrics, performance tracking, and making decisions based on data rather than gut feeling. Collaboration. Their product fosters collaboration, so it's reasonable to assume they value cross-functional teamwork and open communication among their employees. Company culture and values. Based on publicly available information, employee reviews from platforms like Glassdoor, LinkedIn, and Comparably, and general industry sentiment, here's what typically emerges about Smartsheet's work environment. Innovation and growth. Smartsheet operates in a highly competitive and rapidly evolving tech market. This necessitates a culture of continuous innovation. Employees often report that the company is forward-thinking and encourages new ideas. For those who thrive in dynamic environments and enjoy contributing to product evolution, this can be a significant draw. Fast-paced environment. As a growing tech company, the pace at Smartsheet can be intense. This isn't unique to Smartsheet. It's common in companies aiming for aggressive growth. This means employees might experience periods of high workload and demanding deadlines. For some, this is energizing. For others, it can lead to stress if not managed well. Emphasis on execution. Given their product's focus on getting work done, there's a strong culture of execution. This means a focus on results and delivering on commitments. This can be positive for project-oriented individuals who appreciate clear goals and measurable outcomes. Team-oriented approach. Collaboration is key to their product and likely their internal operations. Many reviews highlight a supportive team environment, where colleagues are willing to help each other achieve shared goals. Employee development. Like many tech companies, Smartsheet often invests in employee development, offering opportunities for learning, skill enhancement, and career progression. This is crucial for retaining talent in a competitive market. Compensation and benefits. While specific figures fluctuate, generally, Smartsheet is competitive within the tech industry for compensation. They typically offer a standard package of benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and often perks like employee stock options, important for a publicly traded company. The specific benefits can vary by region, e.g., U.S. versus international offices. Work-life balance. This is often the most varied aspect when evaluating any company. In a fast-paced tech environment, achieving perfect work-life balance can be a challenge. While Smartsheet likely advocates for it, individual experiences can differ significantly based on role and team. Some teams or roles might inherently have more demanding schedules than others. Sales and product development roles in high-growth companies often face more pressure. Managerial style. The direct manager plays a huge role in an employee's work-life balance. A supportive manager can buffer stress, while a demanding one can exacerbate it. Individual prioritization. Ultimately, an individual's ability to set boundaries and manage their time also contributes. Some employee reviews suggest that while the company promotes balance, the actual experience can sometimes lean towards longer hours, especially during critical product launches or aggressive deadlines. Others report good flexibility and autonomy, leadership and vision. Smartsheet has established itself as a leader in its niche, driven by strong leadership and a clear vision for the future of work management. Employees often appreciate working for a company with a clear direction and a product they believe in. Leadership's ability to communicate vision, adapt to market changes, and inspire teams is a crucial factor in employee satisfaction. Remote work capabilities. As a company that provides a remote-friendly work platform, Smartsheet itself has embraced hybrid and remote work models. This flexibility is a significant draw for many modern professionals who value the ability to work from home or have a more distributed team environment. This aligns with their product's capabilities and demonstrates their commitment to evolving work paradigms. Is Smartsheet good to work for? The expert's verdict. From a project management expert's viewpoint, is Smartsheet good to work for? Depends heavily on what you prioritize in a workplace. If you thrive in a dynamic, fast-paced, and innovative tech environment where your work directly contributes to a widely used product that solves real-world problems, then Smartsheet could be an excellent fit. You'll likely find opportunities for growth and work with smart, driven individuals. If you value a structured approach to work, data-driven decision-making, and strong execution, the internal culture might align well with your preferences. If a strict 9 to 5, low-stress environment is your absolute top priority, you might find the pace challenging during peak periods, as is common with many growth-oriented tech companies. However, the flexibility of their remote options can significantly mitigate this for many.